Kanti-ke sisaqhubeka nemisitho yokunikela kuluntu. Umbutho ongenzi inzuzo wezempilo yamehlo iVision for All ubambe iphulo lokunikela ngenkonzo zasimahla kubantu abadala abangama-50 kokubambisana nejelo losasazo iSoweto TV. Okukubone abantu abadala kwenye nabo abangathathi ntweni befikelela lula kwinkonzo zokuhlolwa kwamehlo ukuze bakwazi ukuchonga umonakalo kwangethuba. Kanti-ke eliphulo beliqhutyelwa kwikomkhulu leSoweto TV elizinze eOrlando West kwisitalato iVilakazi.
These are the remnants. You cannot neglect old people. There will be no June 16 without them, because these are the people who fought for this day during those years uprising. So now we said, let not forget them, let not neglect them, let not be forgotten, because we are where we are because of them. Therefore, that's why we decided that with Vision for All and Soweto TV to come together and say, without them, without them not seeing, because they can see far beyond. So let's just monitor their vision, because the more they grow, obviously, now the vision also fades away. So therefore he says, let's just give them the opportunity, because some, they might not even have the opportunity in our community to see an optometrist. So therefore we made it available for them here at Soweto TV. Says, you know what, this is part of our CSI project that takes care of the community and reached out to those who cannot able to afford such kind of optometrist.
The purpose of this day is really to reach out to the community and have an impactful day on the elderly people. Encourage the young, the youth, eye care is very important, and today we felt it was very important that we give back to the community and we take care of the elderly people, the older citizens.
As an organization, a company, as ngokusiza umphakathi, mhlambe mapha ama-challenges that we often face in trying to uplift the communities and assist abantu abaneedy.
So the challenges that we face is resources and capacity. We would like to expand nationally, and national outreach is the ultimate goal. So the resources, sometimes we feel that we need more. We need strategic partnerships with organizations, government, corporate companies, babagari thusang gore re khone go thusa setšhaba ka botlalo.
Ngijabule kakhulu ngoba sengithola isizo, sengizabona yonke into nefoni izathi umuntu mangibuza yona ngibheka ifoni ngisho yonke into engifuna ukuyisho ngoba ngizabe sengifaka ibuku sengibona yonke into engifuna ukuyibona.
Mhlawumbe ungathini ukukhuthaza abanye abantu ukuthi benikeze usizo kubantu abadala, ini-struggle kangakanani as abantu abadala ngenxa yokungabi nawo amandla okuthola usizo njengalolu?
Yeah, siyastruggleisha thina abantu abadala ngoba kakhulu esikhathini esiningi abantwana sibheke izukulu nezizukulwana, especially mina ngihlekela lezizukulwana zibheke mina into zasesikolweni. Siyabonga kakhulu for iSoweto TV neVision leyo sithatha basiphe ibuku khona ngoba kade singeke sisi-afford ukuyothenga ibuku. Manje khona manje naku sesiyakwazi ukuthi sibheke abantu, sibabheke kahle.